Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to check the warranty on any iPhone. Now to do that, first of all, just open the Safari app. Then in the search bar, just search this. Now from here, just open this website. Now in this section, just enter your IMEI number. Now to do that, just go to your home screen and open settings. Then go to general. From here, just tap on about. Now, on this page, you will find the IMEI numbers of your iPhone. Now, just tap and hold on the IMEI number and select copy. Now, just go back to the website and paste the copied IMEI number over here. Now, once you enter your IMEI number, then tap on check IMEI. Now, from here, just give the answer of these questions, then tap on verify. Now, on this page, you will find the option of activation or coverage check. Just tap on here. Now on this page, just enter the serial number of your iPhone right here. Now for that, just go to your home screen and open settings. Then go to general. Now just tap on about, and from here you will find the serial number of your iPhone. Just tap and hold on the serial number and select copy. Now just go back to the website and paste the copied serial number over here. Then tap on check. Now just answer these questions. Then tap on verify. Now from here you can check your warranty status. Now below the warranty status you can check the purchase date of your iPhone, and below that you can check when the warranty will expire on your iPhone. And this is how you can check the warranty on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.